Hi everyone, in today's video, we are checking out one of BlueAnt's new speaker innovations, the BlueAnt Soundblade. It is a versatile and functional under-monitor soundbar which users can use to enhance their audio experience when they are using a desktop computer. The packaging looks very professional and good. Let us proceed to check out what is included inside the product packaging. Inside the box, users will be able to find one BlueAnt Soundblade speaker, along with a set of accessories like cables, remote, etc. Good option of accessories included for use together with my Soundblade device. On first impressions, the BlueAnt Soundblade speaker looks very elegant and premium with a smooth metallic texture to its surface, making it look very premium in quality and design. I love the elegant curve it has. Great design by BlueAnt. At the side of the speaker, we can find the volume control touch-sensitive keys, plus for increase in volume and minus to reduce volume. I love touch-sensitive keys, looks more elegant as compared to buttons. At the back of the BlueAnt Soundblade speaker, there is a power port to connect it to power socket, USB-C port along with an AUX port, different options to connect to the speaker. It supports Bluetooth also, just to let you know, for wireless connectivity. The speaker has a powerful subwoofer to jam to your favorite beats, looks powerful. It supports up to 120 watts peak power when blasting music, very high-powered device. It is easy to set up. I just need to place my monitor on the table with the Soundblade. Get all the cables plugged in and plug and play. It fits seamlessly together thanks to the Soundblade innovative design, which provides space for my computer leg to fit seamlessly beneath it to give it an integrated seamless placement on my tabletop. It has good quality sound drivers to blast my favorite music, and in my opinion, sound quality when I used it is decent and good. Bass is powerful. Plug and play easily with this easy-to-use under-monitor soundbar speaker. If you want to find out more about the BlueAnt Soundblade under-monitor soundbar, find out more with the link in description. Thank you for watching.